Good morning, class 7. Welcome all of you in this period. Mathematics period. Chapter 11. Triangle and its properties. Triangle and properties. This is very important chapter in geometry part of mathematics. What is triangle? First of all, a closed figure which is formed by joining three non-collinear points. Collinear points and non-collinear points you understand. If all the points lie in a straight line, so these points are called collinear points. And if the points, and if you join, so no straight line is formed, they are called non-collinear points. Collinear means those points lying in a straight line, and not lying in the straight line, non-collinear. So suppose there are 3 points A, B and C, and if you join, a closed figure is formed. That is called triangle. Triangle का एक definition है. Or in other words, you can say figure bounded by 3 sides. This is also useful definition. इसको यदि if you want to give in very mathematical words, geometrical word, so a closed figure by joining 3 non-collinear points. A triangle has 3 sides, 3 vertices and 3 angles. Suppose this is a triangle. Why it is triangle? Because this is closed. They are closed by 3 sides. So there are 3 sides, AB, BC, AC. AB को हम B बोल सकते हैं. 3 sides, 3 angles. Angle A, this is the symbol for angle. Angle B and angle C. 3 angles, 3 sides. And vertices A, B and C. What is vertex? The point where lines meet. वह point जिस पर 2 or more lines meet करते हैं, मिलते हैं, उसको vertex बोलते हैं. And so there are 2 types of parts in a triangle. Sides and angle. So there are all 6 elements. इसको elements भी बोलते हैं. And this is called interior region of the circle. Interior समझते हैं? Interior means अंदर का, exterior बाहर का. Suppose एक point ले लें P, तो P is in the interior region of the circle. Or if you take another point Q, so that is very clear that Q is in the exterior region. These are the exterior region. And all the points in the figure that will be called in interior region. और यदि point line पर हो, इसको boundary point भी बोलते हैं, और interior and all the sides, इसको हम triangular region बोलते हैं. So these are some terms in a triangle, and there are 6 elements, angles and sides, and these are the vertices. So इन सबों को मिला करके हम triangular region बोलते हैं. So this is the definition of triangle. Now you see how many kinds of triangle. Triangle का definition के बाद you should learn different types of triangle. According to the sides, there are three kinds of triangle. Scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, and equilateral triangle. And there are three kinds of triangle according to angle. Right angle triangle, short में आजकल right triangle भी बोलते हैं, और right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and acute angle triangle. So overall there are 6 kinds of triangle. जो भी triangle बनेगा, any kind of triangle you form, these triangles may be any one of these 6 types. Either according to the sides, according to the angle. A scalene triangle, if the sides of a triangle are different length, if the triangle has different measurement of length of sides, so that is a scalene triangle. Any 2 sides of a triangle are equal, so that will be called isosceles triangle. And all the sides are equal, equilateral triangle. And suppose now you see, suppose this is a right angle. So the triangle in which one angle is 90 degrees, that is the right angle triangle. And suppose one angle is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle समझते ही होंगे, more than 90, less than 180. Obtuse angle triangle. And the triangle in which all the angles are acute angle. So these are the 6 types of triangles. Now you see what are the properties of triangle. Triangle के बहुत सारे properties हैं, but these 2 are important properties. क्या है? The sum of measure of any 2 sides. Sum of measure of any 2 sides of a triangle is greater than third side. For any triangle, the measurement of any 2 sides should be greater. And if less than third, so that triangle cannot be formed. And the important property is sum of measure of all the interior angles is already 180 degrees. These 2 are important properties. और भी प्रॉपर्टीज को हम बता सकते हैं कि इन ए राइट ट्रायंगल द रिमेनिंग 2 एंगल्स विल बी एक्यूट एंगल एंड एक्यूट एंगल शुड बी लेस देन 90, you know, because in right triangle no angle will be except one will be right angle. Only one right angle is possible. In obtuse triangle only one angle should be obtuse. Because this property, sum of all the angles, interior angle, is 180 degrees. So, these are the important points of a triangle. And if you learn all these properties, then you can solve the question, the problems of this particular exercise. So I want to re-explain whatever I have explained. First of all, I have explained the triangle. If we take 3 non-collinear points, and if we join, so a closed figure is formed, that is called triangle. The triangle has 6 parts. इसको elements भी बोलते हैं. 3 sides and 3 angles. So now ये देखिए ABC triangle है, इसमें 3 sides है, and these are 3 angles. And these 3 points are vertices बोलते हैं. Vertices are plural number of vertex. So this is about the triangle. And interior and exterior you understand very well. All the region in the closed figure, that is interior region, and all the region outside the triangle, that will be called exterior region. Triangular region, interior region, and the points on the circle, on the sides, they are also considered in triangular region. Kinds of triangle, there are 6 kinds of triangle: current triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral, according to the measurement of sides. And according to the measurement of angle, we have right angle triangle, acute angle triangle, obtuse angle. Right angle triangle, the triangle in which one angle is 90 degrees. The triangle in which all the angles are acute. All the angles will be acute angle, that is called acute angle triangle. And the triangle in which one angle is obtuse angle, that is obtuse angle triangle. So this property you should learn, and then I will explain more properties when we start the exercise. So now I suppose you must have understood what I want to explain, what I explained now in this period. So my dear, the important chapter, triangle and its properties. So you will learn the definition, you should learn the concept, and then you will be able to solve the question. So that's all for today. So thank you and have a nice day.